Good evening. I am Larry Griffith, and I'll be giving you the run through of the database that Group 3 created. Database problem is a university needs a database to store information about students, courses, and enrollments. Solution was to design a relational database with the following entities: students, courses, and enrollments. Students enroll in courses, so enrollment will be a bridge entity that connects students and courses. Continue. We create database and name it creation. Then we use the same database and populate it or create tables within the database. One table named students, other table for courses, and the other table for enrollments. Within this student table, there is a student ID, which is a primary key, the student name, and the major. Within the course table, there is the course ID, which is the primary key, the course name, and the department in which the course fall under. With the enrollment table, there is enrollment ID, which is also primary key, the student ID, and the course ID. There are foreign keys that links the student ID and the course ID to the enrollment ID. To continue, we then populated the three tables created. So we insert the student name, their ID, and their major. Then we insert the enrollment values. Yeah, before we insert the enrollment values, we have to insert the courses that the students are doing. Yes, to continue, we insert the courses the students are doing and where they're enrolled in. So if you check here, for the three tables, you'll see courses and the department the courses fall under. Under enrollments, you see the student ID and the course ID in which the student is enrolled in. And under student, you see the student ID, the name, and their major. Now, to continue with the different queries, the first query, we want to retrieve all courses offered in a specific department. So for the department mathematics, after the queries as run, you will see that on the department mathematics, the courses offered is calculus and linear algebra. Other query will retrieve all students who are enrolled in a specific course. In this case, you use database course, and this shows all the students who are doing database system. Continuing, we count the number of students enrolled in each course. So you run the query, and here you see that the course name and the number of students within each course. Database system 21, operating system 2, calculus 1, and it goes on. This query, now this retrieve all students who are not enrolled in any course. So you could see here, there are two students, Farman and Thomas, who are not enrolled in any courses yet. Now, you'll want to see if there are any course that has no enrolled students. So after the query has been run, you could see here that there are no course that has no student enrolled. This query here shows all students and the course they are enrolled in. So you could see here you have the student ID, student name, the major, and the course that they're enrolled in. And this goes for all 180 students. So this query here would show the course that has or have the most students enrolled in. So earlier we saw that database has 21 students. So this is a course with most students are doing. So now if we want to insert student, well, we continue from the last student created, 180 student. Well, now we want to insert one more student, which is like Strat, and his major is management. So we use this formula to insert. So when we check at students here and you scroll down, you'd see that his name is inserted. 181 Ivor Trust Sports Management. To continue this query here, update the student name where the student ID is, well, in this case, 7. So for instance, you made a mistake with the student name and you want to change it. Here you could see that as of right now, the student name is Kurt Cecil and his major is biology. So after you run this query here, we change the name from Kurt Cecil to Elroy Khan. So if you check back here, you would see the name changed to Elroy Khan. Continuing, for the same student, say you want to change the major. Well, here you see that the major is biology. However, the new student or the change in the major from biology to science, you run this query and you will see the change for same science. Continuing, now for the student that you just add, Ivor Church. So if you want to delete the student from the table, you will run this query here, delete from student, where the student ID is 181. So right now, you see the student here, I will try to run this query here. And you see that the student's information was deleted. Now, this query here shows a view of all, or this creates a view of all the students' name. If you run the query, you will see that over here, view was created, name student name. And we run this, and this will show you the name of all the students. This will go in order of enrollment. Say for instance, the first student to the last student that was enrolled, which is Charlie Taylor. This other course, or this other query, it create a view of the course names. So after you run this, you'll see here, this is all courses, all the courses are listed here. Yes, to continue this function here, It retrieves data from the database that involves the three tables: students, enrollment, and courses. Now, this query is used to find the name of students who major in computer science and the names of the courses they are enrolled in. So for all the students that major in computer science, this shows the courses that they are enrolled in. Majority of them are enrolled in database management. However, if one of these students is enrolled in other courses, this would also show the course that they are enrolled in. For example, here you see Derek Griffith, who's in database management, database system. He is also enrolled in a course named thermodynamics. And this brings us to the end of the presentation.